Hello explorers! As part of the Guided Relaxation Sessions, I wanted to make a video that targets stress and anxiety at nighttime. Here is this wonderful oil diffuser that I found on Amazon. This oil diffuser has a light and mist buttons, can change all types of different variables, and it is very easy to refill. These are some essential oils that are my absolute favorite, starting with lavender. Lavender is a good oil to relax and soothe your nerves. Next up is lemongrass. Lemongrass is a very clean and very healing type of scent. Lastly, it is orange. Orange oil is used to energize the senses. I will start by putting a couple of drops of each and mix them together for my oil diffuser. During the evenings, I find it very important to use lavender since it is very, very soothing and calming. Lemongrass provides that clean scent. It purifies the air. Get into a comfortable place where you can feel calm and at peace. For me, I like to lie down or sit down in my bed to just relax and feel at ease. I put my oil diffuser very close to my bed so that I'm able to smell all the wonderful scents that can calm my body. I also try to put a low light that is relaxing and peaceful. The mist that comes out of this oil diffuser is not very strong, and it gives a very subtle and continuous mist. When thinking about the end of your day, it is important to leave everything that causes you stress and anxiety behind. We often try to remember all the things that we need to do, remember all the things that we need to get done for the next day, but this causes your mind to race. It is important to take a deep breath and a very deep inhale and exhale. Relax your mind, relax your body as you sink deeper and deeper into your bed. Close your eyes and start drawing a blank canvas. Let all of your ambitions go. Relax your mind and cause it to just come at a very slow stop. So many of us bring our thoughts and the important tasks we need to do, we bring them back home. Many of us usually bring our troubled thoughts and our negative emotions back home after work. I want for you to be able to relax knowing that you gave all that you could today. You gave all your best efforts, and the night is used to relax your body and your mind. Your relaxation time is used to melt all the stress and anxiety away. Relaxation is just as important as anything else you could possibly do for your body. It is a way to be healthy while your body naturally re-energizes in the evenings. As you sink deeper and deeper into your bed, relax and calm your senses. Take a deeper breath in and out, and remember that tomorrow is a new day full of opportunities and chances. But tonight is only yours for your peace, calm, and relaxation. Good night, explorers. Please make sure to subscribe and click on the little bell button to receive any notifications when new videos are posted. Please also visit a Pear Life website. I will be posting the link with also the social media links down below. If you subscribe to the mailing list, you will be notified of new posts. Goodbye, explorers!